Hello and welcome to Kitchen Guide 101, where today we're diving into the world of bacon, a staple in breakfasts, brunches, and guilty pleasures around the globe. But as much as we love it, cooking bacon can sometimes be a bit of a hassle, dealing with splatters, uneven cooking, and all that grease. Fear not, because we've scoured Amazon to bring you the best 8 bacon cookers that promise to make your bacon cooking experience as effortless and healthy as possible. From microwavable solutions that keep your bacon elevated from the grease, to innovative designs for the oven that ensure crispy, evenly cooked slices every time, we've got you covered. So, let's jump right into the sizzle and find out which bacon cooker could revolutionize your kitchen routine. Progressive International Microwavable Bacon Grill. First up, the Progressive International Microwavable Bacon Grill. Cook 6 strips of bacon to perfection, elevated to drip off the fat for a healthier side. Its vented cover stops grease splatter, and the design is not just smart but stylish, making your kitchen prep easier and more enjoyable. Plus, it's a great addition for cooking sausages, pizza rolls, and more. Makin Bacon Microwave Bacon Dish. Next, we have the Makin Bacon Microwave Bacon Dish. This genius tool cooks your bacon above the fat, cutting down up to 35% of the fat compared to skillet cooking. Cleanup's a breeze with just a paper towel for splatter control, and its compact dishwasher-safe design makes it a must-have for bacon enthusiasts. Made in the USA, it promises quality and convenience. SOLIGT Ceramic Bacon Cooker for Microwave Oven. This ceramic bacon cooker brings you crispy perfection in minutes. BPA-free and heat-resistant, this ceramic cooker guarantees delicious results with minimal cleanup thanks to its dishwasher-safe feature. The unique splatter-proof design keeps your microwave clean, making it perfect for any gathering. Plus, it comes with a grease collector, silicone lid, and tongs for ultimate cooking flexibility. Smart Planet Bacon Master Cooker. This gadget is a game-changer, making your bacon healthier by cutting down fat and cholesterol. It cooks your bacon evenly, separating it from unwanted grease. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which means cleanup is a breeze. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked bacon and messy grease splatters. Presto 5101 Microwave Bacon Cook. Next up is the Presto 5101 Microwave Bacon Cooker. Imagine cooking 12 pieces of bacon with no mess on your counter or stovetop. This cooker makes it possible. It's the easy way to get crisp, delicious bacon right from your microwave. The fat drips into a deep base, making your bacon leaner and healthier. And when you're done, it's fully immersible and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Plus, it's easy to store thanks to its stackable cooking racks. Emson Bacon Wave. No 06 on our list is the Emson Bacon Wave. This cooker stands out with its heating control timer, allowing you to choose how crispy you want your bacon, from light to extra crispy. It cooks your bacon vertically, draining off fat for healthier results, and cooks evenly without the need to turn. The non-stick surface and bottom tray that catches all drippings make cleanup a snap. The MMUGOOLER Bacon Maker. A microwave marvel that cooks 9 strips of bacon quickly and easily. Not just for bacon, you can heat sausage links or patties too. It's BPA-free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The deep grooves drain fat away, and a handy spout pours off excess grease. Plus, its transparent lid keeps your microwave clean by preventing splatters. Gotham Steel Bacon Bonanza. Designed for oven use, it promises crispy bacon with less fat, cooking up to 18 strips at once. The non-stick ceramic coating means your bacon slides right off, and the elevated rack lets fat drip away, caught by the custom-fitted pan below. It's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning and oven safe up to 500° F. Plus, it's versatile for baking cookies or roasting veggies. And there you have it. The 8 best bacon cookers that transform the way you cook bacon. Healthier, cleaner, and easier bacon cooking is now within reach. Hopefully, you found this video helpful. If so, please feel free to leave a thumbs up. Also, let me know any comments or questions you have. I always love answering as many of them as I can. Just a reminder, I'll include links to each of these bacon cookers in the description so you can check for updated pricing and availability for any that you might be interested in. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our newsletter for more kitchen gadget discoveries. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more kitchen must-haves.